Tufdek I Trowel on Latex has a thicker consistency than the Tufdek roll-on and must be applied using a number 9 1/16 inch by 1/16 inch notched trowel. Because the installer is working on their knees when applying Tufdek I, they are closer to the deck surface, which makes it easier to see small defects on the deck surface, which may have been overlooked during the deck preparation stage. The vinyl layout and installation process for Tufdek I is exactly the same as the Tufdek roll-on. The only difference is the method for applying the adhesive to the deck surface. Here you can see the vinyl sheet being folded into the latex adhesive, and any air bubbles pushed out with the hand spreader.